Hello to our families of Varsity College. Well, we are Monday of our final week of term one, and can I say that it's very, very different in our school today. I want to first start by saying thank you. Thank you to all of our families that have taken on all of the advice that's been given to us in terms of, where possible, keeping our students at home. We have the lowest numbers we've had since our COVID-19 crisis, I guess, has eventuated and come into our school landscape. So we only have about 7 students in secondary today, and we have about 75 across prep to 6. So thank you to families for keeping your children at home. I would like to let you all know that we are already well into the space of online learning and what this is going to look like at Varsity College. I have just spent the last hour with our secondary leadership team talking to them about what this online space is going to look like, and this afternoon I'll be doing the same thing with our primary leadership team. And obviously we're practicing in the online space as well, and we're using Skype Business now to do all of our meetings. We are very, very strict around that social distancing in our school for all of our staff that are already here. I would like to say to all parents though, that if throughout the week your situation changes and you are requiring to send your student to school, we absolutely understand. But remember, as I said on Friday, this is about minimising movement in our community as much as possible. I know for many of you, you would have felt the same as me over the weekend. It was incredibly strange, but this is our new normal. A lot of emails coming in over the weekend saying, is this where we are for term 2? The very quick and short answer to that is, we don't know yet. I am expecting that there will be some communication coming through at some stage this week, and as has been the case since we started this, I will communicate with you immediately and let you know what's going on. So thank you to those people that have emailed me. I do want to reiterate, at any time that I get any new information, the very first people I'm sharing that with are my staff and our community. You absolutely will know straight away, so that you can make arrangements to ensure that your family, their health, their well-being and safety is always your highest priority, because it is always ours. So thank you so much. Throughout the week, I am going to share some of the work that we're doing in our secondary and primary campus, so you can see that teachers are really putting in a concerted effort around making these platforms viable for us moving forward, not just in a short-term basis, but in a long-term basis. From prep to year 10, because it is school-based, we can make some very quick decisions around things. But in year 11 and 12, because we have a more centralised system, there are elements of that that are going to require QCAA and the Education Department to communicate with us, and we will then communicate with you in as timely a manner as possible. So thank you to all of our parents. Thank you to families for working together. Thank you for working with each other, because it's not easy when you're in a home, when you've got younger children or children that range from an age group of 4 years of age to 14 years of age. I understand the complexity of that. So keep trying hard, keep doing your best. And remember, this is not about having your child sit down in front of a laptop and replicate what's going on in school. We can't do that. Use this time for family connections. Don't be afraid to go out in your backyard and kick the soccer ball. Don't be afraid to let your child sit down and read a book for 2 hours. Reading is one of the most valuable things we can do in this time. Remember, it is about connecting with each other and making sure that our children feel safe, and making sure that they understand that this isn't forever and this is a life experience for them. But remember that we are looking after them, and we do have their well-being and best interests at heart all the time. Thank you, everybody. I'll talk to you tomorrow.